What if I told you that in the next 47 seconds, I could research a profitable niche, write a complete 10,000-word book, design a professional cover, and publish it live on Amazon? While you do absolutely nothing, you'd probably think I'm lying. But watch this. That book you just watched being created, it's already live on Amazon in front of 310 million buyers, and it took 47 seconds. Look, you've heard about Amazon KDP. You know people are making $5,000, $10,000, even $50,000 per month publishing books on Amazon. But here's what they don't tell you. You spend weeks researching niches, only to find 10,000 competitors already there. You pay a ghostwriter $1,500 for garbage content. You waste days formatting. You hire a designer for $500. And after all that, your book gets rejected for one tiny mistake. And you want to scream. That's $2,000 and 60 hours for one book. Meanwhile, top earners are publishing 20 to 30 books per month. How? They found a way to eliminate the process entirely. In 2024, something changed. A new technology emerged called agentic AI. Not AI assistants, not AI tools that help you. Fully autonomous AI agents that execute entire workflows without you. Google's CEO called it the most significant leap in artificial intelligence history. Microsoft invested $13 billion to develop it, and now, for the first time ever, this technology has been packaged into a complete Amazon publishing system. Meet BookMint, the world's first fully autonomous AI agent that doesn't assist you with publishing. It replaces you. Here's how it works. You open BookMint. You see one button, you press it. That's it. No typing, no prompts, no decisions. Watch what happens next. In 8 seconds, the AI scans Amazon's entire database, analyzing search trends, competition levels, and buyer behavior. It finds a profitable niche most authors will never discover. In 12 seconds, it writes a complete, engaging 10,000-word manuscript. Not an outline, not bullet points. A full book. In 6 seconds, it designs a professional cover that looks like it cost $500. In 4 seconds, it formats everything perfectly for Kindle, paperback, and audiobook. And in 17 seconds, it publishes directly to Amazon, live, visible to 310 million customers. Total time, 47 seconds. Your effort, pressing one button? Don't take my word for it. Meet Marcus. He was laid off in March, discovered BookMint in April, published 47 books in 3 months. He's now making $3,847 per month in royalties without writing a single word. Jennifer used to pay $2,000 per book for writers, designers, and narrators. She's published 23 books with BookMint in 8 weeks, saved over $46,000. David's audiobook royalties went from $0 to $1,340 per month in 60 days. Same content, double the income streams. These aren't mock-ups. These are real books. Live on Amazon, making real money, created by people who can't write, who aren't tech-savvy, who just pressed a button. Here's what makes BookMint different from every other publishing tool. Other tools still make you do the work. You research, you write prompts, you format, you upload. BookMint does all of it automatically. It creates Kindle books, paperbacks, and audiobooks simultaneously. One creation, 3 revenue streams. It includes AI voice narration in 80+ languages, studio quality, 0 cost. It finds hidden profit niches in real time before your competitors do. And it publishes in any genre: fiction, non-fiction, self-help, children's books, cookbooks, thrillers, romance. If Amazon sells it, BookMint creates it. Now, a system like this that replaces a $2,000 publishing team and does the work of 30 ghostwriters should cost $997 minimum. But here's the thing. I don't need your money. I need your success story. I need you to publish 30 books in 30 days and prove to everyone this is real. So today, you're getting BookMint for just $17. One time, no monthly fees, no subscriptions, publish unlimited books forever. Plus, you're getting $4,029 in bonuses, the 30 books in 30 days blueprint, Amazon KDP optimization checklist, 50 done-for-you book description templates, premium AI voice library, the Kindle Cash multiplier training, commercial license worth $1,997, and lifetime updates. Everything nothing for $17. And you're protected by our 30-day triple guarantee. If BookMint doesn't create a complete book in 60 seconds, if you publish 10 books and don't see at least one generating sales, or if you're unhappy for any reason, just email us. Full refund, no questions. But I need to be honest, due to server costs, we can only accept 500 new users. After that, the price jumps to $97 and we close enrollment. Right now, there are still spots available, but this window is closing fast. So here's what happens next. Click the button below. Get instant access to BookMint. Press one button and watch an AI build your publishing empire while you do literally nothing. 310 million Amazon customers are waiting. Your books just need to exist. Click below before access closes. Click now. Your publishing empire starts in 47 seconds.